This is another tool from the SIP stable, which is the combined belt and disc sander. Now this is the larger floor standing model with a 10-inch disc and a 6-inch wide belt. The 10-inch disc runs at 1440 RPM. The belt runs at 500 metres per minute, giving both optimum speeds for the appropriate abrasive surfaces. The machine is powered by a powerful 1 horsepower motor, which is more than adequate to undertake all the sanding tasks that you're likely to want to do with this machine. The sanding disc also features a very nice cast iron table, which is finely machined, giving a good surface. A mitre slide also fits into it in the slot, enabling angles to be achieved using the presets or any angle there between against the disc. The cast iron table can also be angled from the 90 degrees to 45 degrees, and this enables compound angles to be sanded using the mitre slide as well. The belt is a standard 6-inch by 36-inch belt, or 150mm by 1220mm, that are readily available from SIP or other suppliers. The belt can be used in the horizontal or the table erected to the vertical position, or anywhere between, which is suited and simply locked using an Allen key. The on-off switch comprises of a no-volt release switch. For safety reasons, in the event of a power cut, this will cut the power to the machine and stop it automatically restarting when power is restored to it. As mentioned earlier, you can raise the sanding bed to from the horizontal to a vertical position, and that's simply locked in place just with an Allen key to hold it upright. Tracking of the belt, or keeping it central to the actual machine, is simply done by adjusting the wheel on the side here, which will move the belt from left to right as required. A good surface table for support of workpieces against the belt is afforded with a steel plate, but this can be removed if smaller items are being used.